A very good evening, students. My today's topic is stock notation. This comes under the chapter of redox reactions in class 11th. Now, when I talk about stock notation, what do we actually mean by this? This is just a way of writing a formula. What is so special about it? The first thing that you need to do is you will have to find the metal in the compound. Secondly, find the oxidation number of the metal. Thirdly, write this oxidation number in Roman numerals. Beyond this, it is to be done in round brackets and after the symbol of metal in the formula. I repeat once again. In the given chemical formula, you first need to identify the metal in it, whose oxidation number may vary, generally the transition element. In case there are two metals, then your concern should be the transition element whose oxidation number can vary. It should not be the alkali or the alkaline earth metal which have a single oxidation number. After that, you need to find out the oxidation number of the metal, that transition metal that I am referring to, by the simple rules of finding oxidation number, which you already know. Write this oxidation number in numerals. So if it is 4, then you need to mention it like this. If it is 6, you need to mention it like this. Also, it has to be written in round brackets. And then its position is to be after the symbol of the metal in the formula. Let me take up an example. The first example that I am taking is that of MnO2. As you very well know, the metal is Mn. To find out the oxidation number of Mn, how do we go about it? Let the oxidation number of Mn be X. Oxidation number of oxygen is -2 and it is 2 times, so multiplied by 2. Net, there is no charge on MnO2, so the total sum of all oxidation numbers has to be 0. From this, you can identify that X comes out to be +4. So, the first step was to identify the metal, which you did. Second step was to write down its oxidation number, which you found. Now you need to write the oxidation number in Roman numerals, so that's it. Then you need to put it in round brackets, so that's it. Lastly, you need to write it in the given formula. So if you are asked for a stock notation of MnO2, your answer should be Mn4 and then NO2. I hope I'm clear on that. We'll do one more. The next example is H2CrO4 is the example number 2. Now in this H2CrO4, which is the metal? That's chromium. Let's find out the oxidation number of chromium. Hydrogen's common oxidation number is +1 except for a few exceptions, which it is not. So you have 2 times +1 makes it +2. Chromium you do not know, so you write an X. Oxygen's common oxidation number is -2. Each oxygen has a -2. There are 4 such oxygens, so -2 4 times will make it -8. Since net there is no charge visible on this formula, so the total sum of all the oxidation numbers of each of the atoms comes out to be 0 since there is no charge. Let's find the value of X. Now your value of X in this case comes out to be 8 goes there, it's 8 -2 comes out to be 6. The next thing you need to do is write it down in Roman numerals. So that's your 6. Write it in brackets. Now what is the correct way of writing your stock notation for this particular formula would be NH2, a Cr and an O4. Of course, after the Cr, you need to mention its oxidation number in Roman numerals in round brackets. Should I do another one example? We'll do one more and after this I would close the topic. The third example that I'm taking is here. You have H, gold, Cl4, hydrogen, gold, Cl4. So which is the metal? That's the metal. Let's find out the oxidation number of gold. H is +1. Gold you do not know. Cl is -1 commonly. 4 such Cls, so -4 is equal to 0 because there is no charge visible on it. So you put the total sum of oxidation numbers to be 0. Let's find out the value of X. Comes out to be 4 and then there is a -1. So this makes it 3. Let's write it down in Romans. You need to put it in round brackets also. So your formula finally, the stock notation of this formula is going to be H, gold with its oxidation number in numerals and a Cl4. I hope we are clear on it. With this, I close the topic. This is exactly how you would write the stock notation if asked. Done? Thanks a ton, kids. If you like the video, please share it and look forward to my other videos which I would be posting soon. Stay blessed.